Hi friends, I am Bala, working as a senior front-end developer. In this video, we are going to learn about micro front-ends. This is a new development approach, is getting very popular these days. Most of the large organizations are showing their interest in developing their applications using the micro front-end architecture. Without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we have to know the difference between monolithic and micro frontend. Monolithic frontends have complex code bases that become even more unstructured and difficult to maintain over time. Micro frontends solve this issue. The source code of each individual micro frontend is smaller, simpler, and thus much more manageable. Micro frontend advantages: independent deployability. Micro frontends can be developed, tested, and deployed independently. This enables different teams to work on separate features or components without interfering with each other. Micro frontend allows the use of different technologies, frameworks, and libraries. This flexibility is especially useful in large organizations where teams may have different preferences or expertise. Autonomous teams. Development teams can be organized around specific business capabilities or features. Each team is responsible for its own micro frontend, fostering autonomy and reducing dependencies. Integration at runtime. Micro frontends can be integrated at runtime, allowing them to be composed into an organized user interface. This can be achieved through client-side composition or server-side composition, depending on the specific requirements of the application. Scalability. Micro frontends support scalability by allowing teams to independently scale their components. This is particularly beneficial for large and complex applications. Isolation. Micro frontends aim to provide isolation between different parts of the user interface. This helps in preventing issues in one part of the application from affecting others. Incremental adaptation. Organizations can adopt the micro frontend architecture incrementally, introducing it in specific parts of the application or for new features without requiring a complete rewrite.
MFE challenges: consistent user experience. As the application grows and different teams developing the micro frontends, it is very hard to have a same user experience in the entire application. Managing data communication, performance issues, cross-team communication. The diagram shows the complexity of the team communication as the team grows.
In our demo, we are going to have a host application which runs in port 4200. The MFE application will run in port 4300 and the host application dynamically render the remote application. We can build the micro frontend using different techniques. One of the technique is module federation, which is a new feature of Webpack 5. Multiple separate builds should form a single application. These separate builds act like containers and can expose and consume code between builds, creating a single unified application. This is known as micro frontends, but is not limited to that. In our demo, we are going to use monorepo, a single repository which holds all the applications and libraries of the micro frontend apps. However, we can also use multi-repo and keep a separate repository for each micro frontend applications and library. These are the commands we are going to use to build the demo micro frontend applications. I uploaded all the source code used in this demo for your reference. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we will see the data communication between the micro front ends.